Welcome to our guide on soil pH analysis. We will walk you through the step-by-step procedure for accurately determining soil pH. Understanding your soil's pH is crucial for optimizing nutrient availability and ensuring healthy plant growth. Soil pH affects how plants absorb nutrients. Knowing your soil's pH is the first step towards successful gardening or agriculture. We will cover the complete procedure: preparing the sample, standardizing the pH meter, measuring the pH, and concluding with essential post-measurement care. The first phase is carefully preparing the soil sample to create the suspension for testing. Start by taking exactly 20 grams of your soil sample and placing it into a 150 milliliters capacity plastic beaker. Next, add 50 milliliters of distilled water, or DW, to the soil in the beaker. This creates a 1 to 2.5 soil-to-water ratio. Stir the soil and water mixture thoroughly using a glass rod, and then let the soil-water suspension sit undisturbed for half an hour. Before measuring, the pH meter must be standardized or calibrated to ensure accurate readings. Standardize your pH meter using the required buffer solutions: pH 7.0, pH 4.0, and pH 9.2. Accurate standardization is vital. Follow your pH meter's instructions carefully for calibration with these standards. Now that the sample is ready and the meter is calibrated, we proceed to measure the soil pH. When submerging the electrodes, ensure they do not touch the walls or the bottom of the beaker to prevent errors in measurement. Before and during the measurement, stir the soil-water suspension intermittently with the glass rod to maintain a uniform mixture. Carefully immerse the standardized electrodes into the beaker containing the stirred soil-water suspension. Allow the pH meter to stabilize, and then accurately record the pH reading displayed on the meter. Proper cleaning and storage of the electrodes are essential for maintaining the equipment's accuracy and longevity. Remove the electrodes from the soil suspension and thoroughly clean them with distilled water. Immediately dip the cleaned electrodes into a separate beaker containing fresh distilled water for storage until the next use. The measurement is complete. The final step is interpreting your recorded soil pH reading. Analyze the noted pH reading and provide your comments regarding the soil's acidity or alkalinity and its implications for plant growth. By following this step-by-step procedure, you ensure an accurate and reliable determination of your soil's pH for informed soil management.